Dubai, located in the United Arab Emirates, is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city that has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning panorama and modern architecture, Dubai offers a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Whether you are planning a trip to Dubai or just curious about this wonderful city, watching drone videos will provide an immersive experience that will take you right into the heart of this bustling metropolis. So relax and go on a virtual journey through the enchanting places of Dubai captured from an aerial view. The city of Dubai is known for its iconic landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago in the shape of a palm tree. These architectural wonders complement Dubai's unique landscape and attract millions of tourists every year. Dubai is also widely known as a center of tourism and travel. With its luxury hotels, shopping malls, and pristine beaches, it offers unforgettable experiences for all types of travelers. From desert safaris to indoor ski slopes, there is no shortage of entertainment during your visit to Dubai. Dubai has also been recognized for its commitment to hosting major events and exhibitions. The city successfully hosts international conferences, sporting events such as Formula One races, and extravagant entertainment shows that captivate audiences from all over the world. For those planning a visit to Dubai, it is important to note that the city offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. In addition, travelers can take part in desert safaris in search of adventure. To summarize, Dubai stands out as an extraordinary destination with breathtaking scenery, a thriving tourism industry, and a diverse range of activities. Whether you are looking for adventure or relaxation, Dubai has something to offer everyone.